Hello, and welcome to a VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business and sidestep all the crazy things that I seem to step on. Today, we're going to be learning how to create a simple custom offer on Fiverr. I got this question from a variety of different people, and I thought that it would be real easy and simple for us to just get onto Fiverr and for me to show you. All right, so let's go ahead and dive in real quick. If this is your first time here, please go ahead and click that like and subscribe button. Love to have you. Also, it is Monday, July 12th. Sorry we missed a few videos last week, but we are up and running today. So let's go ahead and dive into this. Okay, so just for the purposes of all of this, the names and everything have been blocked out so you can't see anybody, but let's go ahead and dive in. So let's say that someone messages you, all right, and you've got a message and someone's messaged you, okay? The first way that you do it is you come down here and you can see where it says create an offer, all right? All you simply do is hit create an offer. All right, this will bring up the different gigs you have available, right? Depending on how many you have, this will bring up the gigs that you have, all right? And you choose the one that's relevant to what they're asking you for. Now, real quickly, you can always decide if you want to put it to another gig, if you're trying to boost that gig with more work going through one singular one. But, you know, I generally try to keep it to where it goes, right? So I'm going to pick how to record our American Male voiceover. Now, single payment or milestones. Fiverr redid the milestones so that every milestone that you get paid actually for each milestone. But I just want to focus on single payment right now. So we're going to hit single payment, and this comes up. All right. So the first thing you got to do is you got to put in a description. Now, I usually like to put in, something like record voiceover with rights in 24 to 72 hours. This depends on what you're adding to it, right? So you can write down something that's relevant to the job. Then down here, you're going to select whether you want any revisions. I don't offer any free revisions, so I don't. I have a 3-day delivery. You could have a 1-day. It's up to you. Then I put in the price, so I'm just going to put in $150. You can also offer an expiration date. Don't worry about this. You can if you want to. You could put in a day, 3 days. I think Fiverr lets you do up to 30 days. I don't worry about. But if you're doing like an offer that is a deal, and you want to do like a deal, where you say, okay, this is good for like 24 hours, you can always do it that way, but I don't ever fill that in. Now, the rest of these are just including your offers. Now, it's your job to know your price structure, because if you click on one of these, Fiverr doesn't automatically add it to the price. You have to put it in the price. You got to know what your price structure is, like how many words that you offer, or how many words you offer for the price, plus how much all of these offer. These are all the extras I offer. If you don't offer any extras, or you only offer a couple, only a couple will show up here, okay? But your job is to click on these as much as you can. All right. Click on these if you're offering them with your price. Okay. Then once you do that, you're going to hit send offer, just like this. And it basically sends an offer to this person. Now he's going to be like, Anthony, why are you sending me an offer? I'm going to go ahead and say, let's say they don't want to work with me, or they're like, that offer is not going to work. We can always hit withdraw custom offer. Okay, that actually withdraws the offer, so they cannot accept it, especially if you come across somebody that's not very nice. Okay, that's something that I've learned as well. That can be, difficult. Okay, if you have somebody who's difficult, you could just go ahead and tell them, no, thank you. All right, so that is how you do a general custom offer in the message section. When we come back for another video, we'll go ahead and dive into gigs, and I'll show you when someone orders a gig, how you can actually offer extras in the gig. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. You have a good one. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.